Do you think trimming a 10-minute video into several punchy shots sounds like a magic trick? What if I told you there is an AI-powered video editor for that? I'm going to show you how to quickly repurpose, edit, and trim long-form videos into viral shots with an AI-powered clip maker. Moreover, it can automatically transcribe these videos in over 40 languages and edit them like editing a text document. Just imagine you can remove awkward filler words and silences such as with just one click. Cool, right? Lastly, it allows you to generate accurate caption or subtitles for enhanced engagement to a wider audience with option to adjust font size, font type, and background. Have you ever dived into one of Gary Vee's videos? If so, you would have likely caught him dishing out his take on repurposed content. This AI tool can be used to repurpose long videos into engaging shots within minutes. This new tool is called HipClip. Let's dive in now. Once you are at the dashboard of the backend of HipClip, you can upload your file here. Either drop your video or audio here or import from your device's hard disk, Google Drive, Zoom, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Please bear in mind that the maximum file size allowable is 2 GB. Once the file is uploaded, HipClip will automatically transcribe the video speech or audio to text. This transcription is fairly accurate and real fast. So now, how are we going to edit this long video into viral short videos? It is simple. Go to the AI Clips button and click to let HipClip to find the best moment to be clipped as short videos. From the AI clip generator on the left-hand menu here, you can choose to finalize whichever clip you want them converted into short videos. For example, this short clip is titled Discover the Best Online Screen Recorder. You can then export the video or export the audio or export text file or copy the transcript to clipboard and paste it anywhere you like. One of the most common problems when people are giving a speech or during a conversation is the presence of awkward filler words and longer than normal silences, such as this could easily be overcome in HipClip. Go to the left-hand menu and click the fillers button. From here, you could see how many filler words are present and some longer than normal silences. With one click, you could then remove all these filler words and the silences in one go. Research shows that adding subtitles to video significantly boosts engagement. Specifically, subtitles have been shown to increase video viewing by 40%, and with 80% of viewers more inclined to watch a video to this end when captions are present. So the question is, how do you put caption into your video quickly and effortlessly? Easy. Because HipClip will accomplish this task in no time. From the left-hand menu, go to Captions. You will see about 16 types of captioning effects. Just choose any one of them and you are good to go. You could change the font type, background, and effect with a few clicks. There are two more enhancements features which I have not covered earlier. I'm going to show them now. You could actually resize your video from horizontal to vertical format or vice versa. Go to the bottom right corner of the dashboard where you can see the landscape button and click to resize. This is very useful if you are generating short videos such as YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reel from a long-form video. The last feature which I'm going to talk about is to add images to your video. On the left-hand menu, click Uploads button will enable you to upload an image from your computer to HipClip. Once your image is uploaded, you can then add it to your video. Okay, that's it. I have gone through all the important features of HipClip. Let's recap what we have covered. Number 1, HipClip can be used to quickly repurpose, edit, and trim long-form videos into viral short using AI, thus saving you a lot of time. Number 2, HipClip will automatically transcribe your video or audio in over 40 languages and edit them like a text document. Clip can remove overt filler words and silences with one click, such as you know, etc. Number 4, HipClip can generate accurate caption for enhanced engagement with option to adjust font type, font size, and the background. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get latest video when I release that. Lastly, I want to let you know that There is another AI tool that can do the exact same thing as HipClip. It is called Minvo. I have done a live session with the founder to demo the ins and outs of Minvo. You can check them out to see if Minvo is better than HipClip. Thank you and see you in the next video.